We're very proud that we are a local Northwestern Ohio law firm. All of our attorneys have grown up in the greater Toledo area. I think it's important to have local attorneys because they've grown up in the area, they know the communities, they know the way the people think, and I think it's important to have a face that you're talking to. I hear from a lot of clients that have used other law firms that they never actually even met their attorney. They may have talked to their attorney on the phone once or twice, but some runner from the law firm came out and met with them. They talked to a legal assistant, and some clients say they've never even seen or talked to an attorney. When you're a client with our law firm, we consider it that you're a client for life. We want to develop a personal relationship between you and our entire legal team. And probably 70% of our cases are either existing clients coming back or referrals from existing clients. The biggest compliment that we can get is a repeat customer or a referral from an old client. We want to be your attorney, and we want a great relationship with you. We opened up our West Unity office because we noticed that a large number of our clients are from the West Unity or the Bryan area. In order to best serve them, we decided that we needed a presence in West Unity. The office is located in a very old car dealership, and we're proud to have one of the historic buildings in that community. If you'd like to set up an appointment and meet with us, we'd be happy to meet with you in West Unity, Ohio.